This is the home screen for the Canvas Geometry course. If you look to the left, you will see Grades. Once you click on Grades, it will take you to the Assignments tab. This is where you can see the assignments that have been completed in the course. Some are listed twice, only needs to be done once. We are continuing to use standards-based grading this year. Click on the Learning Mastery tab. Under the course, you will see the essential standards. For ES1, there are 5 alignments. We have CFA 1. It's a common formative assessment, and it's worth 2 points. There are 2 points possible on the rubric. CFA 2 is worth 2 points. CFA 3 is worth 3 points. 4 is worth 3 points. And CFA 5, students have the ability to go beyond the standards and get a 4.0. Once all the assessments are completed, your teacher will look at how you've done throughout the assessments. We're looking for growth, consistency, and reaching the target. So for this student is showing growth, showing consistency. Once they have the knowledge, they are able to continue with that knowledge, and then they're showing growth again by meeting the target of a 3.0 on the final assessment. If you look right here, it says 2.83. That's a combination of all of those scores, and a 2.83 would round to a 3 and master that essential skill. Once the first unit is complete, the grade that's shown in the top right corner will be correct. It is not correct until the first unit is complete. If you have any questions, you can contact your child's math teacher.